Yeah, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cover a ready-made bra cup with fabric and a lining. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. For this tutorial, we'll be making use of our fabric, our lining, our marker, our cup, our needle, our ST, our thread, our scissors, our tape, and our curve ruler. So let's get started. I'll be taking the horizontal measurement of my bra cup, and we have it to be 9 inches. On our fabric and on our lining, we'll be adding 1 extra inches. This bra cup is a size 36. So on our fabric, this is our lining. On the width, we have our 10 inches. The height also 10 inches like so. So go ahead and do yours like so. Next, I'll be folding the lining into 2 equal parts. Carefully do that. See how I'm doing it carefully. Next, I'll be finding the midpoint. Using my tape, I'll be finding the midpoint. And we have our midpoint to be 5. Using my ruler, I'll be connecting a straight line down. Go ahead and do yours. Next, with my tape, I'll be going out 1 inches on my left hand, 1 inches, and also 1 inches on the right as well. And I'll be connecting the dot with my curve ruler like so. You also be tracing it on the right hand side like so too. Using my scissors, I'll be cutting it out. I'll be repeating the same process for my fabric, making sure they are both aligned together. And I'll be finding the midpoint, which is 5. And I'll be extending the lines with my ruler. On my left hand side, I'll be going out by 1 inches. Also on the right, 1 inches as well. Using my curve ruler, I'll be connecting the dots together. Using my scissors, I'll be cutting it out like so. This is the outcome of the lining fabric. Sorry. As you can see, this is our lining, this is the outcome, and also our fabric. This is how it looks. So on my bra cup, I'll be measuring 1.5 inches on my center front, 1.5 inches, and I'll be using my marker to trace it out. Also on the side and front, I'll be measuring 2 inches. I'll also be using my marker to trace it out as well. I'll be repeating same for the other cup. So we have our lining, our fabric here. So I'm placing them right side to right side, and I'll be sewing 1.5 inch. That is what I'll be sewing. Sorry, 1.25. 1/4. I'll be sewing 1/4 all around. Endeavor to backstitch whenever you're using your machine. Using my scissors, I'll be notching it all around so that it can give it a very good balance when I cover it on my cup. So that you give it that relaxing look. This is what it looks like. This is what our fabric looks like after sewing. As you can see, we have it neatly done. Also our lining. So next, I'll be covering it on our bra cup, and I'll make sure that it aligns with our marked points, as you can see, and I'll be using my pin to hold it down so it doesn't shift. Also, I'll be creating a hollow when doing it. As you can see, I'm creating a hollow. You shouldn't fasten it. Create a hollow like so. Use your pin to hold it down. Ensure that it always is on the marked dot we measured. Next, I'll be using my fabric facing the right side to the right side of the lining like so, and making sure that they both align well properly, and at the same time creating a hollow. I'm holding it down with my pin. As you can see, I'm ensuring that they both align. I'll go ahead to sew it all around, and I'll be holding it with my needle. And I'll be sewing it 1/4 all around. So let's go to our sewing machine. See, I'm carefully sewing it on my 1/4. Make sure it doesn't shift. Always backstitch when you are done sewing. This is what it looks like, and next I'll be going on to trimming the excess. Be careful when trimming the excess so that you don't cut into your bra cup. I'll be turning it over like so. Next, I'll be taking it to my sewing machine to sew the under. And I'll be sewing it 1/4 all around. Always remember to back stitch when you are done sewing. And this is what it looks like. See how beautiful it looks. So I'll go up to trimming the excess. I'll be using my hand to feel the one. See how I'm feeling it. Be very careful when doing this so you don't cut into your bra cup. I'm using my hands to feel it as I'm sewing. I'll also be repeating same process for the second bra cup as well. Carefully cut through. Exercise patience when doing this so that you don't cut into your bra cup. See how beautiful it looks. If this tutorial was helpful to you and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Also, share the video to your friends and family, and I'll be at the comment section waiting. Thank you.